Next, we will be soldering our capacitors. There are 3 capacitors. We'll go ahead and get those all out of our kit. These capacitors do have different values, so I want to go over how to identify those values. And capacitors do have polarity, so I do want to identify how we're going to place these in the board so they're matching the correct polarity. So here are our 3 capacitors. You can see they do vary in size. Okay, so I did go over that we need a 100 farad. Okay, we can see here, label on here, it'll actually say 100. Okay, so there's 2 leads. Okay, and it is a microfarad, so 100 microfarads. Okay, we have a short lead and a long lead. The long lead is going to indicate the positive end, and the short lead is going to indicate the negative end. If we look at the short lead and we look at the actual capacitor, we can see here there is a negative sign on there. Okay, so that's going to help us as well. Then we have here a 1 microfarad and a 2.2 microfarad. Okay, so we're going to look at our board. On our board here, we'll start with the larger one first, the 100 microfarad. So we're going to go ahead, place the long lead in the positive end and the short lead in the negative end. Okay, we'll flip it over. Okay, now we can solder this on. Then we can take our wire nips and take off the excess leads. Again, cut those flush with the solder joint. Alright, we're going to go to the next one. This one here is the 1 microfarad. So we'll line this end up again with the positive and the negative, making sure we're paying attention to our polarity. Alright. Alright, then we can cut off the excess leads. We'll do our last one, the 2.2. Okay, now we can solder that one in. And cut off our excess leads.